Are you in the market for a solar option that is perfect for your four-wheel drive, caravan, camper trailer or boat? You can't go past this. Ultra lightweight, super tough and produces a ton of power, this 170 watt panel is perfect for almost any 12 volt application. Weighing in at only 10 kilos, which is up to 30% lighter than most other panels on the market, due to its 17mm anodized aluminium frame. It's also protected by 3.2mm tempered low iron glass, meaning it is resistant to hail, stones, and those accidental knocks. We also use A-grade monocrystalline solar cells, meaning on beautiful sunny days, you'll be producing up to 9.5 amps of power per hour. As for fittings, we're using industry standard MC4 plugs, meaning the connections are secure and perfect for even the highest corrugated tracks. Also available are our signature